Hey everyone, and welcome to the 14th video of this playlist in which I will show you 30 CSS properties in 30 days. In this video I will show you how to center your divs. Okay, so yeah, this is a topic which gives a lot of headache to web developers when you want to center your div or any element in your websites. Before starting this video, hit the like button, and if you are new, subscribe to Techie Web Dev and press all notifications so you will never miss any future videos. Now let's continue with our topic. So in this video I will show you two of the easiest method to center any of the element in your website. Okay, so first of all, if you will just take a look, so let me just do this. So first of all, if you will take a look in our website, we have a simple p tag which is saying tutorial, and I have increased its font size to 3 rem. Okay, so nothing here. So let me just show you how to center the div. Okay, so as you can see here, like our p tag is inside of a div tag. Okay, so if you want to center the p tag, okay, if you want to center the p tag horizontally, so how you can do that? So you can target div, you have to target div, then first of all you have to define the display flex. Okay, you have to like define the display to flex, then you have to write justify content and center. That's it. And if I'll just save it, you can see our element is now in the center. Okay, it is now horizontally center. Okay, so let me just show you one more example. If I want to like center the element vertically, so for to see that, first of all I have to give it a background color. So let me just give it a background color of blue violet, and now and now let's increase its height a little bit. Let's say height 50 vh. Okay, so as you can see here, now the height of the div is 50 vh, and as you can see here, the tutorial is not in the center. Okay, it is like on the top. Okay, so we want the tutorial to be here, okay, in the center. So how you can do that? So you just have to write align items. Okay, align items, and then once more center. That's it. And if you will just save it, as you can see here, now our p tag is both horizontally and vertically center. Okay, so this justify content is for horizontal, and this vertical this align items is for vertical. Okay, so if you want your element to be vertical center, then use this align items, otherwise use justify content. Okay, so this is one way by using flex. Okay, because we are using flex here. Now I will show you one more way with the help of grid. Okay, so now if you just save it, it will goes back to its original position. Now I will show you with the help of grid. Okay, so you have to write display equal to grid, and then as you can see here, we are using two lines here to center the element both vertically and horizontally, but now we will use only one line, and the element will automatically get centered both vertically and horizontally. Okay, so this one line you have to write place items equal center. Now if I just save it, as you can see here, our p tag is now both vertically center and horizontally center. So these are the two quickest ways you can use to center your divs or any elements in a website. Hope you learned something new in this video, and that's it for this video guys. I will see you in the next one.